Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make this round coin purse. This is a cute round coin purse with lining and zipper, and you can use this to keep your headphones, or you can also use this as a coin purse. It only measures about 3.5 inches and it's great for keeping small things. This project is also great if you have a lot of scrap yarns and some fabric linings that are just laying around and you don't know what to do with it. So you can turn this into a beautiful coin purses for giveaways and other things. To start this project, you will need some yarns, some fabric linings, and also if you want to add a keychain, you may do so. For round 1, you're going to chain 4, and then in the first chain that you have made, you're going to work 11 double crochets in there. So that will make a total of 12 double crochets. I am using an acrylic fingering weight yarn, 2 strands, and for those who would want the same size as what I'm doing, you can use a 3.5 millimeter hook and a medium weight yarn. For round 2, you may use a different color, and on round 2 I'm gonna use black color this time, and I do apologize in advance if you couldn't see what I'm doing here, but I'm just gonna tell you, you just need to work 2 double crochets in every stitch, and to start you can work on any stitches and then work chain 3, which is the first double crochet, and then in the same stitch you're gonna work 1 double crochet. So that would give you 2 double crochets in every stitch, and you're gonna do that in every stitch on this round for a total of 24 double crochets. Slip stitch on the top of the first double crochet, which is the chain 3, and then fasten off after that. You may want to switch to another color again, and this time I'm going to use the orange. So in order to make a flat circle, we keep increasing every round, and so on round 3 we're going to do the same thing as what we did before. We're going to start with chain 3 on any stitches, and then in the next stitch we're going to work 2 double crochets, and that's what we're going to repeat. So the next is 1 double crochet, and then in the next one 2 double crochets. So repeat this around, and then slip stitch on the first double crochet made. After this round, you need to make one more circle. You need to fasten off after this round. So we're going to work one single crochet on half of these two circles. So on this round, we're going to make the opening of the coin purse, and we're gonna work one single crochet on the first side and then one single crochet in the next, and on the third stitch we're gonna make an increase again. We're gonna work 2 single crochets in one stitch. So we will do this 5 times, and then in the next 2 stitches we're going to work 1 on each. So for a total of 22 single crochets on this side of the circle only. We're gonna do the same on the other circle, and then after that we're going to join them, and we will join them by working 1 single crochet for the bottom of this coin purse. So you will repeat this step on the other circle, but do not fasten it off. So once done with the 2 circles, we're now going to join them, and by joining them, make sure that the right sides are facing up, and then we're going to join the 2 stitches together of half of the sides of this circle, and we will continue working an increase. Since we stopped at the last 2 stitches with 1 single crochet in each, we will continue the increase by working 2 single crochets in the same stitch, and then make sure that you have the same counting on both edges so that you will end up joining the last 2 stitches of this circle. And also you may hide in the tail while you're working the single crochets across. So I am in my last 3 stitches now. As you can see, if you have the right counting, you will end up with the same stitches on both circles, and then after this you may fasten off and weave in all the ends. Once done joining, you may now add the zipper. Here I am using a continuous zipper, and I'm going to sew it. To make the pattern for this coin purse, draw a circle on the paper and then add a 1/4 inch seam allowance and then on top of the fabric lining, try to trace the pattern that you've made. Make sure that you have the seam allowance for you to sew on, and then after that I will show you what to do next in the clip. So I have cut out 2 pieces of small circles together, right sides facing each other, and then I'm going to flip the coin purse, and before I insert the fabric lining, I'm going to snip the edges first so that it will be easy for the edges to curve a bit, and the shape is much better if you're going to snip it on the edges. And then after that, you're going to flip it as well. This time the right sides of the fabric is showing, and then I'm going to insert it on the coin purse and then fold the 1/4 inch seam allowance around and do an overcast stitch. These projects work really great if you have lots of scrap yarns and fabric scraps that you don't know what to do with them. You don't need a sewing machine in order to finish this project, and it's also a great early giveaways if you're planning to make a lot of it and you have some scrap yarns to make with it. This will also be nice if you're gonna add some keychains. That way it will make it more attractive. By the way, thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you're new, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you guys for watching.